creating a state excise tax return in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to pick a registration and period, review the transactions in the window, and generate the draft return. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Compliance Reports from your dashboard. Here's how you create a new state excise tax return. Start by picking the registration you're filing under. That's the state and filer role, like Utah as a producer. Set the period start and end. I pull your reportable transactions into that window and show you how many are included and how many are still unreported. The report summary shows lines included, total quantity, and total tax calculated for you from the rate on file, so you review the number instead of computing it by hand. When it looks right, click Generate Draft Report. The return moves into your filing history with a status and a timestamp, so you can always see exactly what was filed and when.